Hello class, my name is Donny Dianderas, and this short video I'll try to show my with one projects for this course. First of all, I create a new repository on GitHub. That is my GitHub repositories and create a new repository. Here I put the correct name for this course and I did it the name CSE341 Node. But important here is to copy this link. This link is important. Okay, copy, and then in my VS Code, I use this line clone git repository and paste this link. Okay, I did it, and I create my project is here. Open folder, desktop. Here. Okay, and this is my server.js is my key file in my project, because server.js file connects everything together, and this project follows the MVC architecture. For example, the routes folder defines the endpoints, and the controllers folder handles the logic for each request, and the data manage the MongoDB connection. In server.js, I use const express to call the library express and to call the library MongoDB. And I use express using the variable app. For example, here when I use app, I am saying when you see in the browser this symbol slash, and you need to call the routes. It is all correct, the user will see this message: database is listening. Oh, it is in the terminal. Okay, continues with the project, with the program. If we can see my folder called rows in the file index.js, it's a simple code, but here is just this is just to verify that the server is running correctly. Then I add router use here, and this connects all the contents routes to a separate file called contacts.js. In contact.js, I call my controlling functions here. And all functions calls get all to obtain all the data for the contents, or just another function get single that to obtain just one contact. Okay, in the folder controllers, for example, I got two functions, get all, and the function get all retrieves all the contents from my database collections, and then it converts the result to an array and returns it is a JSON. It is similar for the const get single, but the difference just retrieves one contact by its ID. In the folder data, I got just one file, database.js. The file database.js handles the MongoDB connections. It uses the .env package to load the env file that stores my connection strings securely. For example, here. that is my amp, that amp, and I got it my connection to MongoDB URL, my database called project 1, and I use the port number 3000. And okay, to test my API, I use the REST client extension in VS Code. And for example, here, okay, let me server. Okay, here send request, and I can see in localhost 3 hello world. Continue send request to get all contacts. I got it all the contacts put in my database. But if I want to see just one contact using just by ID, for example, here send request, I got just this contact. Okay, and okay, my render, my web service again, and that is my public link on render. I just see hello world like that. Here my router said just this message, send hello world, and if we put a slash contents, we can see all the content of my database. Okay, you can see all the and all the data here. And if we put, for example, this one, copy and paste, enter, we can see just one register. And that is the project, and thank you very much for your attention.